Hi, I'm Ray. Well, we're back down the allotment today and we're going to do a few jobs. It's a bit of a grey day. We're still in August. It's a bit miserable, but it's quite cool in the polytunnel. I'm just going to do a bit in the polytunnel and then I'm going to tidy up the other end of my allotment plot just to make it look a bit nicer. So, a few jobs today: polytunnel, sort my rows out and tidy the back end of the allotment garden. So join us along and see how it gets on. So it's quite nice now. I've cleared all this area here and I've moved the P-frame. Just going to lean in against the polytunnel there. Not quite sure what I'm doing yet, but I feel as if I've had the P-frame across my plot here. It's making a break. You can't go through it and you just sort of get ignored. So I'm trying to make this as easy friendly. So I've just removed it and now I've been able to weed all this area. Not weed, but cut down all the tall grass, and we've got a bit more of an area to play with. So while I was de-weeding, I found these old planks that was underneath the grass. Didn't even know they were there. So I've got those out now and I'm looking to somehow border this edge here. So I'm just going to have an experiment and see what we can do. So one thing is, if I added this onto here, I can make a nice square plot, but it does give my back polytunnel access a bit restricted. So I'm going to sit back, just have a little think and look at what that looks like. So it looks nice and square, but this is my path that goes to my polytunnel. And I don't know whether I want to be walking on my polytunnel path. Can't get in things with a wheelbarrow, lawnmower, so not sure. There is another plan I've just thought of. Making a little shorter and using this other plank that'll work. How about that? So that'll work. That looks quite neat and tidy. It does take out a corner of the plot. So this is looking a lot better. I really like this idea. The plum. Really good. Level this off a bit. hammer and screws. So it's going to be hammering the screws in to fix it together. There we go. Perfect, solid, absolutely solid. What a good job. Well, I'm really pleased with that. Just found along the allotment and it's just finished off those beds nicely. I can finish my paths. Great. Great job. Really pleased with that. Really pleased. Good old screws. So I found this tin of one coat fence life, and I don't know really what it's like. I thought I'd give the edges of the panel a bit of a coating. That's tidying it up. Look at that. I've got the rest of the plot to do. You come down thinking of doing one job, end up totally doing something completely different. But it's going to make it finish a lot nicer. Better finish it then.